क्या आपने कभी मीठा करेला खाया है?
Have you ever had a sweet karela?
Have you ever had a sweet Karela?
It's right.
It's really not. It's totally wrong.
पागल हो गए यार, ये तो पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं. And they screw up their very followers. They tell them, give them wrong information. They tell them to go eat this, eat that.
ऐसा कैसे चलता है? पैसे लेके पिक्चर डाल के
You read the blog and be like, wow, brilliant reviews, really tasty. You go there half the time, no item. Like क्या? चुतियापा है क्या? Like हम लोग क्या झक मारने के लिए जा रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ but ब्लॉगिंग ऐसे कौन
How the fuck is it right? It's so wrong.
Like ऐसा लगता है कि लेने का मारने का किसी को यार.
तो एक काम करते हैं हम लोग भी ना ऐसे फूड ब्लॉगिंग कर लेते हैं, फोटो वोटो खींच के अपलोडिंग तो करना कर लेते हैं.
हैंड शो लोगों को निकालो ऐसे सड़क पे जाके मारो जो भी खाना उन्हें बोला अच्छा है ना, लेकिन उन लोगों को एकदम मुंह पे थप्पड़ मार के आ जाओ यार.
गाइस खाना खाओ,
जो मेरा पैसा मत खाओ यार.
You want like an honest opinion?
Vlogging is supposed to be a community for food lovers. It is not supposed to be a revenue generating industry that it has become right now.
Well, I was wondering where this whole terminology came, where there are food bloggers and
there are a lot of people I feel who are like they've kind of got the numbers that you cannot possibly get in the short time period. Even I would like to know the secret behind these numbers.
and how many people really know what food is about?
The people who are professionals, not to name anyone, are doing a fantastic job.
It's not about just blogging or just like anybody at all nowadays is starting to blog. It's also the whole genuineness needs to come out.
Blogging is just a trend, and like they're like, if anyone can do it, I can do it as well.
Some 22-year or some 18-year-old kid comes and says, boss, this is not the way it's meant to be made. But boss, this is my restaurant, this is my recipe, this is the way I do it.
Most importantly, they should know about food, which most people do not know these days.
You think a chef is going to serve you crap food on the table? You think he doesn't know what he's doing?
It's actually pathetic the kind of stuff they write.
चल यार मैं भी थोड़ा एक दिन ब्लॉगिंग कर ही लेता हूँ यार, उसमें क्या है. खाना पीना फ्री तो मिल ही जाएगा, बिल थोड़ी भरना पड़ता है यार उनको.
Review should be genuine. If I liked something, I liked it. If I didn't like something, I didn't like it.
Why would a guy who's confident about what he puts onto the table want to pay somebody to come and eat his food? For what?
I don't appreciate bloggers charging for reviews.
Because the paid reviews showing what the chef is useless.
We do not believe in any kind of paid reviews.
Blogging is done mainly for the followers, and actually the restaurants call bloggers to know what is good, what is not, what can be changed, to give that true review on it. And by attaching a monetary aspect to it, that does not make sense to me at all.
Compliments and oh my god, this is so great and so amazing. And Baki, like they bash a restaurant so much, especially if a restaurant isn't paying them or they refuse. You know, some restaurants refuse.
Actually, trust what you have to say, because ultimately it's about trust. And if you're paying someone for your review, how can you trust them? Because you're paying them. How can they write something bad if you're paying them? I mean, I don't understand.
It can't be genuine, because today if I'm paying you to give an opinion, it's redundant.
So paid reviews don't even come to me.
क्या हुआ? अब तक समझ नहीं आया? कमाल करते हो यार. हम फूड ब्लॉगर्स हैं. हम एक रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं. हमको वो अपना फूड देते हैं, ड्रिंक्स देते हैं, सर्विस देते हैं, हॉस्पिटैलिटी देते हैं, रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं. उसके बावजूद हमारा पेट नहीं भरता है. तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम उनसे पैसे मांगते हैं. मतलब वो हमको कुछ भी सर्व करे, कुछ भी. हम बोलेंगे बॉस क्या आइटम है. इसीलिए हम उस कड़वे करेले को सबको मीठा बोल के सर्विस करते हैं. That is what sweet karela is. A review cannot be paid. We all have heard this. With great power comes great responsibility. So we have a responsibility, guys. एक गलत एक्टिविटी जब कोई एक ब्लॉगर करता है तो उसकी वजह से पूरी फ्रेटर्निटी खराब होती है, पूरी फ्रेटर्निटी बदनाम होती है. I request all my blogger friends out there, the restaurateurs out there, the PR firms, if any blogger asks you all for an amount to review a restaurant, please reply back saying that, are you serving a sweet karela. So for all you foodies out there who love food, if we have a power of social media, don't you think you guys have? Of course you all do. It's a very open platform. So what I want you all to do is, when you go to a particular place looking at a particular picture of a food blogger and you think that's not as half as good as you all think it was or it has been portrayed to you, and then likho hashtag sweet karela and tell them that guys, this is what you showed और यहाँ पे जो हमने देखा था वो बिल्कुल वैसा नहीं है. Raise your voice guys, आवाज उठाओ. Don't think that you all cannot do anything about it. Don't raise your anger on your friend. Don't raise your anger anywhere else. If you have gone to a particular place looking at a particular food blogger's picture, tell that particular person. So guys, hashtag if you think a particular blogger is a sweet karela and tell them, खाना खाओ, पैसे मत खाओ.
This is the road. That is the view. That's my.
Have you ever had a sweet karela?
It's really not. It's totally